In today's video, I'm going to teach you insert video title here. We're focusing on using Asana's AI Studio inside rules to automate routine work, reduce manual updates, and keep your projects moving smoothly. Start by logging into your Asana account on desktop, then open the project you want to optimize. Choose a project where you regularly repeat the same checks or updates. That's where automation brings the biggest payoff. At the top right of your project view, click Customize. This panel is your control center for tailoring the project. In the sidebar that appears, select Rules. Rules let you define automatic actions based on triggers, and AI Studio adds smart, context-aware options to those actions. Click Add Rule under Get Started with Rules. A pop-up will open. Look for the section labeled Powered by AI and choose Create with AI Studio. This is where you'll find AI actions designed to save time and improve consistency across your tasks. Now pick the AI action you want to use. You can automatically name tasks to keep titles consistent, translate comments to break language barriers, check for missing information so tasks aren't blocked, draft a response when you need a quick, tailored reply, summarize blocking tasks to surface what's holding work up, summarize completed work to capture outcomes, automatically change due date to keep timelines realistic, check for duplicates to avoid double work, summarize attachment to extract key points from files, or create meeting notes from transcript to turn raw transcripts into clear, actionable notes. Follow the on-screen prompts to configure the action for your tasks or the entire project. Depending on the action, you might choose which fields to analyze, set preferred languages, define naming patterns, or specify how summaries should be framed. Keep the instructions clear and concise so the AI has a strong guideline to work from. Once configured, review and approve the AI's suggestions. You remain in control, accept suggestions that add value, edit anything that needs nuance, and skip what doesn't fit. This review step helps the AI learn your preferences and keeps your project accurate and trustworthy. You can repeat this process to layer multiple AI actions. For example, first check for missing information, then draft a response, and finally summarize completed work for stakeholders. Start with one or two high-impact automations, confirm the results, and expand from there. If you notice overlapping rules, simplify to avoid conflicting updates. And when trying a new action, test it on a few tasks to make sure it behaves as expected. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.